The Infinity Tools Professional Router Table Package is one of the most versatile and complete router table packages on the market. It includes everything you need to get routing in your shop. This package has been recently updated to include the new Infinity Heavy Duty Tool Stand. This stand is height adjustable from 22 1/4 to 43 3/4 of an inch tall with the included leveling feet. Atop the stand sits the Infinity Professional Router Table Top with micro dot surface. This top has been a mainstay in the Infinity Tool shop for years and will stand up to the test of time. What makes this package unique is that it includes a Triton 3 1/4 horsepower plunge router with built-in lift. The Triton router is an ideal choice for table routing as it is a variable speed router and accepts both 1/4-inch shank and 1/2-inch shank router bits. To hold the router in the table, we include the Infinity Router Plate. This plate is made of 3/8-inch thick aluminum that's machined perfectly flat and then hard anodized for durability, and accepts just some tab lock style reducing rings. The plate is designed to fit the included Triton 3 1/4 horse plunge router perfectly so that you can make both bit changes and height adjustments easily from above the table. To take this router table package one step further, we also include the Infinity stainless insert ring. This ring acts as a washer between the router plate and the table itself, allowing you to level the plate in the table and lock it down, ensuring that it will never lose adjustment. Finally, this package includes the JESSA Master Fence 2. This is one of our favorite fences on the market and the one that we've been using here in our shop for years. If you want to add even more versatility to your Infinity Tools Professional Router Table package, we suggest picking up an Infinity Router Table Accessory package. This includes a set of casters, a safety on-off switch, a Z-bracket for the on-off switch to mount to, and a dust collection kit that's going to work perfectly with the Triton router. The casters are double locking casters that will give you complete mobility even in the tightest of shops and roll easily over sawdust and other debris. The on-off switch makes it very quick, easy, and safe to turn the router on and off while you're routing, and can even be used as a paddle switch to bump with a knee in the event that you need to turn the router off without taking your hands off the workpiece. The dust collection kit allows you to hook up your dust collector both above the table at the fence and below the table directly to the shroud on the Triton router, so you're getting double duty and collecting almost all of the dust that this router table will make. For more information on the Infinity Tools Professional Router Table Package, be sure to check out our website at infinitytools.com. To stay up to date with what's going on here at Infinity and see all the great new products and projects we're working on in the Infinity Tools shop, be sure to check us out on social media at Facebook and Instagram.